Welcome to Practice English Fast. Today, we'll cover how to communicate effectively at the bank, whether you're opening an account, inquiring about loans, or asking about services. Today, we'll practice English together about bank to improve your listening and speaking skills. In this video, Sophia will share her journey at the bank, exploring bank accounts, loans, and mortgage vocabulary. We'll engage in speaking and shadow practice, so watch and listen carefully. After the story, we'll cover important daily life, vocabulary, and phrases for bank conversations. Finally, Sophia will teach you how to use the vocabulary in daily life and provide a few questions to test your learning.
Let's get started. Hi, I'm Sophia. Today, I'm excited to take you through my day at the bank, where I explored opening accounts, learned about loans, and planned for my future financial goals. I'll take you through real-life conversations and teach you all the bank-related vocabulary you need to know. Let's get started. I walked into the bank with a goal in mind: to open my very own bank account. So, I headed to the account opening section. Walking up to the account opening section, I greeted the bank teller with a warm smile. "Good morning, Sophia. How can I assist you today?" The teller asked politely. "Good morning. I'd like to open a bank account," I replied eagerly. "Great. We have a few options. We offer a savings account for saving up for your dreams, and a checking account for your everyday transactions. Which one would you prefer?" The teller explained. "I've been saving up for some exciting adventures, so a savings account sounds perfect," I said confidently. "Excellent choice." The teller said, "I'll need your ID and a utility bill as proof of address." "Sure, here you go," I said. "Thank you. Let me process this for you. It will just take a few minutes. While we wait, would you like to set up online banking and a debit card?" the teller asked. "Yes, that would be great," I replied eagerly. "Perfect. I've set up your account. Here are your account details and debit card. You're all set, Sophia," the teller said with a smile. "Thank you so much," I said.
In this section, you learned how to open a bank account. Now, we'll explore the loan sections.
"Hi, I'm interested in learning about your loan options," I inquired. "We offer personal loans, auto loans, and home mortgages. What type are you interested in?" The loan officer greeted me. "I'm interested in learning about car loans. I'm considering purchasing a vehicle for my daily commute," I explained. "Certainly. Do you have a specific car in mind?" the loan officer inquired. "Yes, I'm looking at a mid-sized sedan," I said. "Great choice. We offer different loan terms and interest rates. Have you considered the down payment and your credit score?" the teller inquired with interest. "I have a good credit score, and I can make a decent down payment," I said confidently. "That's excellent. With a good credit score, you're likely to get a better interest rate. I'll need your income details and employment verification to proceed," the officer said. "Here are my documents," I said as I handed them over. "Thank you. I'll review these and get back to you with the loan options. Meanwhile, you can use our loan calculator to estimate your monthly payments," the teller said. "That's very helpful. Thank you," I said with a smile.
I'm so proud of you for learning that. Keep it up. You're doing great. In this section, you learned about applying for an auto loan. Now, let's move on to the mortgage section.
I've recently been planning to move out of my parents' house, so I visited the mortgages section to explore my options. Good afternoon, Sophia. How can I assist you today? The mortgage advisor greeted me warmly. Good afternoon. I'm interested in learning about mortgage options. I'm considering buying a home in the near future, I explained. We have different types of mortgages available, including fixed rate and adjustable rate options, the advisor explained. It depends on your down payment, credit history, and financial goals. I'm leaning towards a fixed-rate mortgage for stable monthly payments, I said firmly. That's a solid choice. We'll need to assess your income, credit history, and the down payment you can make. Do you have a specific property in mind? The advisor asked. Yes, I've found a lovely two-bedroom house, I said positively. Fantastic. Let's go through the pre-approval process. I'll need your financial documents and employment verification, the advisor said. Here are my documents, I said with a smile. Excellent. I'll review these and get back to you with the mortgage options, the advisor said. Meanwhile, you can check our mortgage calculator to estimate your monthly payments. Thank you for your help, I said appreciatively to the advisor.
That's fantastic. Learning something new is such a great achievement. In this section, you learned about applying for a mortgage. Let's now go over all the new vocabulary we learned today.
Bank account. A financial account maintained by a bank where a customer can deposit and withdraw money. Use. I opened a bank account to manage my savings and easily access my funds. Account opening. Definition. Account opening is the process of establishing a new bank account, which involves providing personal information, choosing the type of account, and meeting the bank's requirements. Use. I visited the bank's account opening section to start a new savings account for my future expenses. Teller. Definition. A bank employee who assists customers with transactions and account services. Use. I handed my deposit slip to the teller and asked for a balance inquiry. Saving accounts. Definition. A type of bank account that allows you to deposit money, earn interest on your balance, and withdraw funds while typically limiting the number of withdrawals per month. Use. I opened a savings account to save for my future expenses and earn interest on my deposits. Checking accounts. Definition. A type of bank account that allows easy access to your money for daily transactions, such as deposits, withdrawals, and writing checks. Use. I use my checking account to pay my bills and manage my everyday expenses. Exciting adventures. Definition. Thrilling and enjoyable experiences that involve exploration or new activities. Use. I opened a savings account to fund my exciting adventures around the world. ID. Identification document. Definition. A document or card that verifies a person's identity. Use. A document or card that verifies a person's identity. Utility bill. Definition. A utility bill is a statement of charges for services such as electricity, water, gas, or internet provided to a household or business. Use. I provided my utility bill as proof of address when opening a new bank account. Set up. Definition: to establish or arrange the necessary processes or structures to manage banking activities. Use: I need to set up my online banking account to manage my finances more efficiently. Online banking. Definition: the electronic management of banking services over the internet, allowing customers to perform transactions, check balances, and manage accounts remotely. Use: I prefer using online banking for its convenience in transferring money and paying bills. Loan section. Definition: the loan section typically refers to the department or area within a bank or financial institution where customers can inquire about and apply for loans. Use: I visited the loan section at the bank to discuss options for financing my new car. Personal loan. Definition: personal loans are financial products provided by banks or financial institutions to individuals for various personal expenses, which are typically repaid in fixed installments over a defined period. Use: I applied for a personal loan to cover the cost of home renovations. Auto loan. Definition: auto loans are loans specifically designed to finance the purchase of a vehicle, typically with the vehicle itself serving as collateral for the loan. Use: I took out an auto loan to buy a new car for my daily commute. Home mortgages. Definition: home mortgages are loans taken out by individuals to purchase real estate, where the property itself serves as collateral for the loan. Use: I applied for a home mortgage to buy my first house. Loan term. Definition: loan terms are the contractual agreements between a borrower and a lender that specify the terms of a loan, including the repayment schedule and interest rate. Use: the loan term for my mortgage is 30 years, which means I have 3 decades to pay off the loan. Interest rates. Definition: interest rates refer to the percentage charged by a lender to a borrower for the use of money, usually expressed as an annual percentage rate, APR. Use: the bank offered me a mortgage with an interest rate of 3.5% per year. Down payment. Definition: a down payment is an initial payment made when purchasing something on credit, typically a percentage of the total price. Use: I made a 20% down payment on my new car to secure a lower monthly installment. Credit score. Definition: a credit score is a numerical representation of a person's creditworthiness based on their credit history. Use: I checked my credit score before applying for a mortgage to ensure I would qualify for a good interest rate. Employment verification. Definition: employment verification is the process of confirming an individual's job status, usually by an employer. Use: the bank asked for employment verification to approve my loan application. Loan calculator. Definition: a loan calculator is an online tool that helps you estimate your monthly loan payments based on the loan amount, interest rate, and loan term. Use: I used a loan calculator to determine how much my monthly payments would be for a car loan. Fixed rate. Definition: a fixed-rate loan has an interest rate that remains constant throughout the term of the loan. Use: I opted for a fixed-rate mortgage so that my monthly payments would stay the same over the years. Adjustable rate. Definition: an adjustable rate loan has an interest rate that can change periodically based on the performance of a specific benchmark or index. Use: I chose an adjustable rate mortgage because the initial interest rate was lower than a fixed rate mortgage, which made my initial payments more affordable. Credit history. Definition: credit history is a record of a borrower's past behavior regarding repayment of debts and management of credit. Use: before approving my loan application, the bank reviewed my credit history to assess my reliability in repaying the borrowed amount. Pre-approval. Definition: pre-approval is a preliminary evaluation by a lender to determine if a borrower qualifies for a loan based on their credit and financial information. Use: I received a pre-approval for a mortgage, which helped me understand how much I could afford to spend on a new home. Financial documents. Definition: financial documents are records that provide details about an individual's or organization's financial status, such as bank statements, tax returns, and income statements. Use: I had to submit all my financial documents to the bank to apply for a home loan. Mortgage calculator. Definition: a mortgage calculator is a tool used to estimate monthly mortgage payments based on factors like loan amount, interest rate, and loan term. Use: I used a mortgage calculator to determine how much I can afford to borrow for a new home.
Good job. Keep it up. You've done great. Keep practicing speaking and learning vocabulary. We will regularly post speaking and listening videos to make your English learning journey easier.